Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel laddutricks. In this video I will show you how to speed up your mobile, and I suggest you to keep these options permanently saved in your mobile device. So let's start our video. Firstly, go to your mobile settings, scroll down, go to storage option, and in this you will find the option named as cached data. Here it is. So wait, so you can see here it will show cached data etc. So we have to delete it. Press on this cached data and press OK. The data will be deleted. In this way we can speed up your mobile. Another way we can also speed up your mobile device. Again, go to settings, click on about phone, and click 7 times on MIUI version, or you can find build number in other Android devices. So this will enable developer options. So go to additional settings, here scroll down, and you can see here the option as developer options. So it will be turned off. You should turn it on. Okay, here you can turn it on, and here you will be seen here log buffer as usual, and here you will see window animation scale in the option. So click this and you can put it off, or you can put animate scale 0.5x. so I'm keeping 5x, or you can keep off. Then that's it. So here you will come across the options in the bottom of the developer options. Select don't keep activities, so it will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. And you can select the background process. So standard limit is recommended, but you can also select no background processes. This will also increase your mobile speed. A simple way to speed up your mobile: whenever you open an application, Chrome and Google Play, calculator, Gmail, you will forget to close it. It will run in background. So you should clean off the recent apps like this. This is a simple way you can speed up your mobile device. And here is the option as clear cache. It will also speed up your mobile device and optimizes your device. Another way to speed up your mobile is, as you know, we can find lots more of apps like speed up your mobile from the Google Play Store, as you can find many of the third-party applications, as see here. I know this will not be working, but some of the extent. Another best way to speed up your mobile is you can root your mobile, or you can search in Google Chrome. In Google you can search as King Root application. King Root, and you can download it, which requires a good internet connection. If you install that application, you can also have a good speed by rooting your mobile, and your mobile will not be hang, or your battery will be saved a lot more of power, and you will be really seeing, and you will be really happy that your mobile is working faster than usual. Last but not least, you can also speed up your mobile by uninstalling unusual wastage apps in your mobile storage. Many of the apps which we will not use, as suppose Google Movies, as I do not watch. Okay, so I will also, so we can't uninstall this Google Play Music. See, Google Music, instead of using Google Play Music, you can install MX Player, so we can't uninstall it. So I will also make a video how to uninstall system apps. Okay, so hope you loved this video and enjoyed it, and you can really speed up your mobile devices. And if you have any comments, please comment in the section below, and subscribe to my channel, hit like, share. Have a good day. So keep supporting us. That's all. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.